Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the assignment problem. We are having three example problem. This we are going to see how to solve using the POM-QM software. Now let us go to the first assignment problem. 5 computer programmers are available to do 5 different programs. From past records, the time in hours that each program takes to do each programmers is known and given in the following table. Determine the optimal assignment that will minimize the total time taken to complete all the program. This is a minimization type of problem, and each programmer will be assigned to each program. So let us open the POM-QM software. So here we have to click on the assignment. Assignment problem example 1. Number of jobs is 5 and number of machines is 5. Minimization. Job 1, job 2, job 3 in the row name and column name machine 1, machine 2, machine 3. Click OK. So jobs are nothing but programmers and machines are nothing but programs. So now let us enter the time required by each program to complete each program. 29271. 29271. 68761. 68761. 46531. 46531. 42731. 42731. 53921. 53921. Now we are going to click on solve. So this is how it is assigned. Job 1, programmer 1 is assigned to program 3. Programmer 2 is assigned to program 5. Programmer 3 is assigned to program 1. Programmer 4 is assigned to program 2. And programmer 5 is assigned to program 2. Assignment results, you can click it. Assignment list. This gives the assignment of the programmers to the program. Now let us go to the second problem. A college is having a degree program for which the effective semester timetable is very less and the program requires field work. Hence, a few hours can be saved from the total number of class hours and can be utilized for field work. Based on past experience, the college has estimated the number of hours required to teach each subject by each faculty. The course in its present semester has 5 subjects and the college has considered 6 existing faculty members to teach these courses. The objective is to assign the best 5 teachers out of the 6 faculty members to teach 5 different subjects so that the total number of class hours required is minimized. The data of this problem is summarized in the table below. Solve this assignment problem optimally. So these are the subjects, and we are having 6 faculty and 5 subjects. Now let's take the POM-QM software. New. So it is row names are 6 faculty, subject names are 5 subjects. Minimize. So 30, 39, 31. 30, 39, 31. 38, 40. 43, 37, 32. 35, 38. 34, 41, 33. 41, 34. 39, 36, 43. 32, 36. 32, 49, 35. 40 and 37. 36, 42, 35. 44 and 42. Now we are going to click on solve. So faculty 1 is assigned to subject 3. Faculty 2 is assigned to subject 2. Faculty 3 is assigned to subject 5. Faculty 4 is assigned to subject 4. Faculty 5 is assigned to subject 1. And faculty 6 is assigned to dummy subject. So he is free now. Now let us go to the next sum. The flight timings between two cities X and Y are given the two tables below respectively. The minimum layout time of crew in either of the cities is 2 hours. Determine the base city for each crew so that the sum of the layout times of all crew members in non-base cities is minimized. This is a type of assignment problem. Time is given flight number, departure from city X, arrival to city Y, and again flight number, departure time from city Y, and arrival to city X. This we have to rearrange it. This we are rearranging it in terms of 15 minutes schedule, and this is what we have to, this table 3 minimum layout time of cruise. This is what we have to enter in the POM-QM software. Now let us enter it. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 cities. Click on new. New. 86, 11. 86, 11, 37, 24. 81, 91. 21, 40. 22, 12. 82, 31. 42, 32. 81, 11. Now we click on solve. So this is what we are getting from city X, from city 1 to city. This is what we are getting. So let us see the solution. 101 to 202. So 101 to 202. 102 to 203. 102 to 203. 103 to 201. 103 to 201. 104 to 204. So we are getting the correct answer. So this is what it says, number of 15-minute interval. This is the solution. Thank you for watching the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.